بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine. Today I am here to teach you numbers up to 100,000s. Open page 15. Hurry up and look to example 8. Read and write the number 3,586 in words. Students, as you know, I taught you in previous lecture about place values and 4-digit, 5-digit and 6-digit number. But there is something new for you, and that is the number is written in spellings, in words. Student, as everything has its own name and the name has spelling. Same like this, the number has also its own spelling, and we say that the number is written in words. Like this. This number is written in words here. 3,586. Come to example 9. Read and write the number 23,940. This is 5-digit number. And we will write it in words. We will read and write it in words. In words mean in spellings. Look at the solution. And look at the place value chart. 0 ones, 4 tens, 9 hundreds, 3,000 and 2 10,000. How will we write in words? Same like this. Look at 23,000. TWENTY 20 THREE 23,000 THOUSAND 23,000. Then separate it with comma. 900 NINE 9 HUNDRED 100 and 40 FORTY 40. Student, there is no U in the spelling of 40. It is just FORTY. Come to the next page and open page 16. Look at example 10 of page 16. Count 100,000, 10,000, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Then write in numbers and in words. Student, we will write it in numbers, then in words. Now look to the place value chart first. Look here, how many ones are there? There are just 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Look to tens place. There are just 3 tens. 3 tens mean 30. Look to hundreds place. There are 6 hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 and 600. Come to thousands place. How many thousands are here? 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. How many thousands are there? There are 4 thousands. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. Come to 10,000s. How many 10,000s are there? Here we have 3 times 10,000. 1 time 10,000, 2 times 10,000, 3 times 10,000s, and it's mean 30,000s. Come to 100,000. Look, 100,000. It is new for you. 100,000. How many 100,000s are there? There are 2 times 100,000, and 2 times 100,000 mean 200,000. Come down and look at the solution. We have 200,000. How many 100,000? 200,000. Compare it with place value chart. 200,000, 3 10,000, 4 thousands, 600, 3 tens and 4 ones. Now we will write it in number as 2, 3, 4, then 6, then 3, then 4, and the number becomes 234,634. It is read as 234,634, and look at its spelling. Now students, it's a time of homework. You will do question number 1 of exercise 1D in neat copies. This question is same like the upper example. You will write it in number, then in words. Look, one is done for you already. 1 ones, 2 tens, 6 hundreds, 8,000 and 4 10,000. It is written in number as 48621 and separated with comma, and in words or in spelling it is written as 48 FORTY 40 EIGHT 48,600 SIX 6 HUNDRED 100 621 TWENTY 20ONE1. Same like this you will write these 7 parts in neat copy. Okay students, Allah Hafiz and take care.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.